Okay. One thing that I love most is me behind the camera directing people. Yeah, I love doing that. At least nobody sees me. All that I'll do is be showing directions to somebody to, do their thing. But I think my days behind the camera is kind of getting over. But hey, I will still go behind the camera and direct. Well, that's me. I love it. One thing that most people don't know that I do is building websites. You know Jumia, right? Yeah. What about Amazon? That one too. B&H. A bit technical there. Most people don't go there. Anyway, if you are into buying cameras and all this tech, B&H is your number one stop shop that you can't afford to miss. Yeah, a very great place. I'm doing free advert for them anyways, so come on. Now, all these places, they are lovely sites to visit, and sometimes you look at it and you say, that's cool. Can I do same? Oh yeah, you can. So if you can, what do you need? Well, it will be a shock to you that all that you need, I think you already have them. If you don't, I think acquiring it is not that difficult. Yeah, not that difficult. I wouldn't say it's easy. Yeah, so it's not that difficult. So, what do we need? First, you need your computer. That's basic. Computer. Second, internet. Yes. So, first, computer. Second, internet. And my favorite, which is third. I intentionally place it at third. But it's supposed to be number one though. It's called passion. Yeah, passion. So you need passion, a computer, then internet. That's all that you need. And you can become one of the greatest web designers on this planet. That's all. So we are done. Yeah, this class is over. So all those asking me to do videos on website design, I'm done. The class is ended. All right. Yeah, it's going to be fun. So for this class, we'll be talking about web design, basically web design, how you can get started with web design. Then you ask, is this class for me, or what are some of the requirements that I will need? Well, if you're able to read, write, and able to use this, that's your computer, you are sorted. Yeah, you are sorted. That's so easy, right? Yeah, so easy. So all that you need is just get yourself your computer with your internet, as I said. Then let the passion drive you, and come on, web designer, you earn yourself that title. So we'll be using one tool that I love so much. It has a wide range of community that you can go and upgrade yourself, share your thoughts, pick up brains from brilliant minds, and that's WordPress. Okay, so we are going to design websites using WordPress, a very great tool for both entry and advanced level developers. So join me as we take this challenge and see how far we go. And as usual, the comment section is there. If you have any ideas or any contribution, hey, don't hesitate. Just go in there, punch in, add something there so that somebody can also benefit from your knowledge. Hey, sharing is caring, no? Alright, so let's go.